will talk about how can you know how viewed your profile on your Truecaller app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down. So when you just go down here, you click here on how viewed my profile, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, and here you will find all people viewed your profile in this list. Of course, when you get your premium here on your Truecaller app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.